Right, okay, here we go. So here we are doing the unboxing videos again. Look at Mummy's hair, it's a bit of a mess. So yes, this time we've got a very exciting box. No idea what's in this one. It's been delivered by Yodelo 5. And it has a very nice label on it saying, "Thank you for your purchase." That's nice, isn't it? So we're just going to try and, like a good precision surgeon, we're going to just rip it apart. To see what's in it, which is very exciting, isn't it? I don't know where the cat is today. I haven't got the usual... I have seen her. She's about today. I've got a Florence here and a Severus. I don't know where Mary is. Mary! Anyway, so... And inside we have some nice pink tissue paper. Again with the lovely pink thing. So it's got to be of somebody who's very grateful for your purchase. But also, obviously, probably someone who's, I'm guessing, Vinted maybe? Have we been buying off Vinted? Can you remember? Anyway, so we have some lovely, crinkly tissue paper. Oh, here's Memsy. Hello, Memsy.
Oh, yeah.
I'm in the middle of doing his unboxing video, so... Mary! So, yes, nice tissue paper. Oh, it's like playing past the parcel. Lots of layers. Oh. What have you been buying? What have you been buying? And why have you been buying? I have no idea what's that? It looks like some kind of instrument of torture with a scrunchie round it. Look, what's that? Looks like my small intestines. Oh, it's two scrunchies. So you can actually wrap your own intestines up, look. See, you wrap one end and then you can wrap the other. How very strange. Then we have it's a clip. Oh yes, you know, like a hair clip. That's very exciting. Oh goodness me, there's a lot to get through here. A pink hairband. Pink sweat cuffs. That's also very exciting. A little pouch. Can you see? Oh no, that's Florence. Hello, Florence. Florence. Okay. Another very silky scrunchie. I don't know what they are. They're like triangles with a little thing on them. Are they able to go over your ears, perhaps? I don't know. Do they go over it? They're fake ears, aren't they? That's what they are, fake ears. So you can look like a pixie. Yeah, fake ears. Excellent. Then two what look like mascara brushes. I'm not going to stick those up my nose just in case there's something that you value greatly. And then we have a couple of odd, I'd say hair clips, but they're not because the decorative bits on the inside. So No idea what they're for.
Sodas.
No idea at all. It's feeding time for cats, so there they go. Excellent. Then we've got a pouch with some jewellery in. Which does look very pretty. So we have a sparkly bracelet, which you can probably see. Sparkly, sparkly, sparkly. A set of stud earrings and a little necklace, which is quite pretty, and a couple of rings. Oh, that is pretty. One, like a, yeah, you see, and another one that looks like a diamond solitaire. I'm assuming they're not real diamonds, but pretty though, very small. Ooh, look at me, look at me. That's that. So we'll put that back again. Came in a very lovely little pouch. Couldn't remember the word pouch there for a moment. I still can't work out what the small intestines are for. Don't know. Oh, we'll come back to that one. Oh, this is pretty. Now we've got another hair clip, but this one has got a pearl wrapped around it. I don't know why. No, I don't know if that's supposed. Ow! Ow! I don't know if that's supposed to be there or whether it's got tangled up incorrectly. Ow! The chain seems to have got wrapped around it in a way that it shouldn't be. I don't know whether that's like a separate little necklace or something. I can't see because I haven't got my glasses on. One could argue I should have put my glasses on before I started this. Anyway, that's very pretty. That, can you see? Very, very pretty little embellished. Very, very pretty actually. The more you look at it, the prettier it is. Don't know if you can see that. As I say, then with a pearl on it. I can't quite work out whether it's got tangled up and it shouldn't be on. I think it probably has. Oh, it's got two pearls on it. I don't know how that one's got stuck in there. Oh, hang on, here we go, look. No, I think it's just a little decorative adornment. So that'll dangle down your hair when it's in your hair. It gets tangled up very easily though, so I would suggest it's possibly a bit of a poor design. Anyway, so let's see what else we've got. We've got a little, I presume that's your receipt. That says, thank you, I hope you love it as much as I did. Sophie. Mean anything? No? Know who that is? So then we've got another lot of pink tissue tied up in a very nice pink bow. Lots of ribbon used. Somebody's obviously gone to a lot of trouble to pack this up really nicely. Because, yeah, lots and lots. Look at that. I'll save it, don't worry. I'll incorporate it into something, but big ribbons. Again, bit of crinkly wrapping. No, definitely vintage because there's clothing now. Ah, I think it is your. I've forgotten what they're called. What they called the company that we were talking about that you were going to buy that dress from. Anyway, you bought it and it's here. Needle and thread. Oh yes. it is very pretty, it is. Very nice dress. Very nice indeed. Did she, I take it she accepted your offer then? Or did you put it in at the wrong offer? Okay, I thought that was my glasses for a minute. Of course it isn't. So yes, that's what it is. It is your very nice needle and thread dress. Smells really nice as well. She's obviously taken lots of care and trouble to send it to you. Quite why you've got all the other bits and bobs, I don't know, but I'll put them all back in the box and put it safely for you for when you get down in a few weeks' time. So other than that, your cat's having its tea. So no cat, so just a boring me really this time, but I'll speak to you later.